to my channel. Today I am doing a pack with me for going to LA next week. I don't know if this is the best setup. I feel like I'm trying to find something to like balance you on. I'm gonna try balance you on this. I love making like precarious little filming settings. I do have a tripod, but like, oh, that's better, I like that more. Who bothers to use those things? So yeah, I am in the process of packing for an LA trip that I will be on when you see this video, because I upload on Mondays. So I will be in LA when you see these videos. If you want to see what I get up to throughout my LA trip, I am going to be vlog styling it over on like TikTok and Instagram. I post everything on my Instagram stories. It's Ellen's in Wonderland, and my TikTok is Ellen's in Wonderland with 0 at the end. And I'm going to do like vlog style videos. I might upload them to YouTube Shorts as well, but I don't think my YouTube Shorts get monetized, and it's all a bit of like I don't know what the point of putting them on here is. But anyway, irrelevant. I am currently packing and deciding what I'm taking, so I thought I'd kind of show you where I'm at with all of it. I'm definitely not done. I need to do like bags, and I'm kind of in the process of deciding what shoes to take, but I've got all my outfit stuff here, so I thought I'd kind of show you. I'm taking quite a big like hefty suitcase, and I'm packing cubes gal, so this is the packing cube that I'm going to try and fit the majority of my clothes into. I got a small one that's got my socks and underwear. Got this one which is going to be my gym stuff, my running stuff, and my swimwear as well, so it's all going to kind of snug into there somehow. But this big one is going to be for my clothes, and that's definitely the most important bit. So what am I taking? I'm taking a whole bunch of bottoms. I'm taking the marine straight jeans. I think they're called marine. Yeah, marine straight jeans from Zara. I've got 2 pairs of these, but I'm going to go for the orange. The temperature's kind of like, I think it's between like 23 and 26. So it's not like crazy warm or anything, but it's like a nice temperature. But like enough that you can wear jeans. So I've got that pair of jeans, and I've also got this pair of jeans, which are from a charity shop, but they're so cool. Like, I'm so excited to wear these. So they're definitely coming with me. They are like this like really cool kind of funky hippie pair. I had to cut the bottom to make them, well, my mum did it for me, to make them fit me, because they were way too long, but they are perfect now. So they are definitely coming with, and the packing cube is basically already full, but well, we can work around that. I'm also going to take a pair of shorts, because I just feel like I might fancy wearing a pair of shorts, maybe if we go to the beach or if we go to the pool. So I am going to take a pair of shorts as well, just for good measure, seeing as I'm going on holiday. In terms of other bottoms, I'm also going to take a little leopard print skirt. I wear this skirt so much, so it just comes with me everywhere, just because it's kind of like a wardrobe staple for me, and I just like, you know, having it around as like almost a security blanket, you know. I've also got this black skirt, just a little black skirt that can be dressed up or down for like nights out, or just for sort of general wear as well. It can be definitely be like very like multi-purpose, as can all my clothes really, in all honesty. Is that it for the bottoms? Yeah, okay, that's not actually as bad as I thought it was, in all honesty. I thought I'd packed way more bottoms than that, so I'm okay with that. In terms of tops to go with all of those, it's all mix and match really. I've just got a plain white tee. Oh my god, my camera's dying. Why is this always the story of my life? I'm gonna charge my camera and get back to you. Hi! So, charge the camera, fingers crossed it's totally on a wonk. Fingers crossed it's going to last a little bit longer. I don't remember where I was. I think I was showing tops. So I've selected out a whole bunch of tops to take. So I'm going to take this little like linen-y one. Again, just goes with basically every single one of the pairs of trousers I've packed. Oh, very hiccupy. I'm then taking this little corset I got from Vinted, but it's House of CB. It's so cool. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to like style it up or down really to wear whilst I'm out there. It's just sick. I again got this little like black one as well, which is just like a plain black puff sleeve, almost like knitted-y tee. So got that in there. And then I'm also going to take a jumper. So this is just like a little cardi, super easy. Then I think I'm going to take as my main coat just my blazer I got when I was in Czech Republic. It's like, I'll just grab it quickly. It's just like an oversized like brown blazer. I think I'm just going to take this. It's just super easy, goes over everything, very cool. I kind of want to take my bomber jacket as well, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll pack it, I don't know. I haven't decided on that one yet. Because Pete wears a bomber jacket, I just don't want to be too matchy. So then I've got my Skims, like the viral dress, but I've got it in this kind of beigey colour. I think this is just a nice for like lazy chill moments. Super easy to throw on. Don't have to put any underwear on with it. Literally, you can just wear the dress. It's perfect. So that's going in as well. I think we're almost reaching capacity of the packing cube. We're not actually too far off the end. So I'm then taking this little just like plain vest, just because it can be layered under lots of different things, especially for the item I'm taking next. It's for this For Love and Lemons gorgeous dress that I got from Vinted. Again, absolutely beautiful, but it's all sheer down the middle. I don't know how well you can see that. All like sheer down the middle, so I want to have something to put underneath it depending on like where we're going, so I can like make a call on what's appropriate, but have that option as well. I then have like, these are like, it's like a halter neck top in 2 different colours, and then the trousers that go with it, which are like, they're like yoga trousers, but I thought they'd be good for like hikes and stuff. I think the yoga trousers are probably going to go in the sport bag. But these tops I do wear like casually as well as for sport. So I don't wear them for sport, obviously I wear them for like yoga. So I'm going to put these into the main kind of packing cube area, because I'm thinking this one will be perfect. We're going for a hike. It's a small hike, I think it's only like a mile, but it's called Doom Point Hike in Malibu, and then we're going to Nobu and Malibu after. So I want like a outfit that takes me from hiking to Nobu, which I think that top will be perfect for, as will these trousers. They're just like a cool like flared zebra trouser. I forgot to pack that in with the trouser section, but I think it was because I had them in like an outfit almost, which was how I was going to pack originally, and then all went out the window. I then got like 4 summery dresses, because I'm like, if it's too warm for all my other outfits, then I think these will be good. It's a little pink play suit, which is so super cute. I love wearing this. It's just so cute. Is anything more going to fit in here? I'm going to make it work. This little Alice and Olivia dress as well. It's just a little like stripy number, which is just really easy and cool to throw on. Again, same with this. It's a little strawberry dress that again I think will be really cute to just throw on, super easy. And I just love kind of like styling these pieces up as well. So they're just I love summer style. It's just like throw on a dress that's cute, and then that's the outfit, and then you can just accessorize it. And then I've got this little green one as well for that sort of thing. And this can definitely be dressed like up or down as well, which I like about this one. This can be stuck on with a pair of heels and it becomes like a night outfit, and the blazer, it'd be super cute. So those 4 are all going to come with as well. And then I think I'm ready to shut this packing cube. Let's see if it does shut though. Maybe, yeah, I don't know if it's going to shut. I think there's like space on the side. A holiday's worth of stuff. Is that pink one getting really crushed though? I'm most pleased about. So yeah, I'm going to make this into all the other little bits and bobs that I need to pack. So like my swim and my gym stuff, it's all going to go in there. Then I guess I'll take you through my shoes that I'm going to take. So I'm going to take these boots, which are from Vivia. They're just like a heeled kind of sock boot, but they are so comfy and so cool, and I think they're going to look really good with a whole bunch of the outfits I've got, so definitely taking those. I then, as my like summer sandal, I'm going to take my Louis Vuitton Bon Dia sliders. Just those little guys, super easy. I love these, they're just comfy, easy, you know, perfect for holidays. And then also probably going to take my Doc Martens like brogues, because I wear them with everything. It's either these or my like little ASOS green brogues, but I feel like these are probably better. I'll probably take those. And then I've just got a pair of like beach and pool sliders, and I've got 2 pairs of heels. So I think I'm going to wear these heels for my Halloween outfit, which hasn't actually been packed yet. That's okay, it can fit somewhere else. I'm going to be me and Pia being Alabama and Clarence from True Romance, so I think I'm going to wear those. And then Laura's being Mia Wallace from Pulp Fiction. It is Mia Wallace, isn't it? And she's going to wear the Manolo Blahnik heels, so I'm going to take those for her. And I love these to style up with all my kind of going out outfits as well, so I'm probably going to end up wearing those heels most of the time in the evenings anyway. So, and then I'm going to take my running, like my workout trainers and my New Balance trainers. I'm probably going to wear on the plane for like comfort. And I feel I need like one more pair of sandals maybe, but at the moment that's the shoe game. And that is everything I've got up to so far in terms of packing. I will probably show you when I pack like my toiletries and stuff, but I mean, I pack the same toiletries every trip. I basically wear quite like minimal, the same makeup every time I wear makeup, and I don't remember which one of my hair appliances actually work in the States, so that'll be the next update of this video. So I'm doing, let's wait for it to focus, doing a bit more packing. I've just tried on my Halloween costume and it's so cute. It looks so good. I'll put like a picture of it I just took here, but I also, if you follow me on Instagram today, if you follow me on Instagram today and you're watching this on Halloween, then obviously I'm wearing it, so it will be on Instagram later probably, because obviously I'm 7 hours behind, I think. My Instagram's Ellen's in Wonderland, but I look super cute, so I'm gonna pack it into like, I bought some sunglasses from ASOS, so I think what I'm gonna do, this is not a look, no. What I'm gonna do is try and pack it all into the box, so that it's all like together and safe. I think that's the vibe. And then I think I'm gonna pack my exercise wear and my swimwear. I got distracted watching my little sister play Twitch. She's playing Dead by Daylight on Twitch, but whenever she goes live I just like to have her in the background, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. Maybe I should pause her. Nah, I'll turn her down a little bit. I want to listen to her. I'm thinking I'm gonna start Twitch streaming soon. I'm probably gonna stream Dreamlight Valley, so look out for that. But yeah, I need to pack swimwear. So how much swimwear do I need? So I'm gonna take this one because it's literally all I wore in Santorini and I love it. This is such a good swimming like bikini. It's literally like high-waisted orange bottoms and it's like a really just easy, comfy top. I love it, so easy. I then think I'm gonna take my like cooler one, which is like, I just didn't wear it much because it's like the puff sleeve, but I think it's quite good for the beach and I think it'll be so cute for LA. It's like a puff sleeve number. I'm gonna take it, you know what, I'm gonna take it. And then I'm actually gonna be on my period, love that for me. So I'm gonna take my black one as well, which has got like this like strappy back. Oh no, it sounds like she's just died. It's got, this is all in a tangle, but this is, oh wait, I've got two tops here. Do I have two tops here? Got this little top. I don't think it fits my boobs particularly well. This is a top as well. I like this top more, I think. Why is it in such a tangle? What the frig is going on here? There we go. This top I definitely like more. It's definitely sexier. We love. So I'm going to take that one. I think this one didn't fit me properly. And I think it goes with leopard print bottoms though. So they're not great for periods, are they? I'm taking them anyway. That's my swimwear done. There we go. That's all I'm going to take. That will definitely do. Do I have black? I thought I had black bottoms. Maybe I don't. Yeah, I do. Found the black bottoms. Let's take those. These are so skimpy though. They're so small. I feel very exposed when I wear these. But yeah, they're definitely coming with. I'll take the leopard print bottoms as well for fun, you know. And then active wear. Okay, then active wear. What should I take? I'm gonna take my Marathon Finishers t-shirt because like I need to wear it. Come on, I need to. I then am probably gonna take my sports bra, one pair of normal like straight leggings, and probably some shorts as well. We take that. This little top too. It's like oh, it's so cute. I wish I had the matching shorts for this. I've just got the matching thick leggings. They're great for winter, but this top is so cute. It's Gymshark. Love that one. It goes well with the leggings I'm taking as well. Where am my shorts? No. Okay, so I'm taking a whole bunch of activewear. I'm gonna take my sports bra, which is from this sustainable big boob brand called Buxom, BXM. I will link them down below because they are incredible. Then I've got these little Uniqlo cycle shorts. I'm gonna take a little black top. And my Juicy Couture running shorts, because, you know, when in Rome, eh? Then, yeah, the little bra, little kind of like hike top, I guess. That goes quite well with everything. And then plain long leggings as well, because let's wear these on the plane. Saying plane. Do I wear these on the plane? Nah, I'm going to wear my black cozy ones. But yeah, that's it. And I need to pack my running trainers as well, my workout trainers. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this video there. I feel like I'm getting like antsy with the packing, so I'm like bored of it, you know? Like I was hyped about packing my like actual outfits. Now I'm packing like the boring bits. I'm like over it, you know? So I don't want that to come across. So I'm gonna end the video here. I will see you in my LA vlogs. I am so excited about filming them. I feel like I want to go for like a Emma Chamberlain's dad style of vlogging. Let's see how that works out for me. But yeah, that's it guys. I just need to pack handbags and that's all I've got left. So almost done, and catch you on the next one. Bye guys.